Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be using these 2.5 yards of Ankara to make a tie. I don't know the name I'll call it, but we'll try tie it and you see how beautiful it will come. So what you need to do is to get your Ankara material. This is 2.5 yards of wrapper already. You can use this your small remaining of Ankara after sewing your dress. You can use those small ones too as well, but I'll be using this for this video. So what you will do is to fold your Ankara into two equal parts this way. Two equal parts this way. Then from this end now, that's where we'll start tying. From this end where the Ankara is meeting, we'll tie. So you take it this way to your head, this way, then we'll tie. Then you come back this front side, you just fold it a little, fold it like this way, little, then you tie it. Then after tying, you just push your head tie up this way, yeah. So and you style it. So when you are done, you just style your gele anyhow you want it. Then you push it to the back. So this is what our gele look like. If you don't want your gele to be bogus like my own, you can use a smaller Ankara fabric to tie. So this is what our head tie looks like. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get notification anytime I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.